everyone, if you're new here, I'm Sandy and the hardworking man behind me is Tim.
This week we start at Bunnings. The awning goes back up.
Some more lights go in.
We finally get our toilet. And the shower size gets settled.
We get a shower tray.
And it rains again. The painting is starting. The bed frame is built.
Welcome to our channel, The Sandvan.
Good morning, everyone. So, we're going to start at Bunnings this morning.
You know the drill.
Bunnings for today's work. But just a tip for Australians, if you have a power pass, you can get a free coffee at Bunnings and you get 5% off. So you just have to have an ABN number, I believe, and sign up online.
Which is free.
Well, yeah.
The ABN's free to get.
Yeah. It's very bright. Why am I so bright?
Top tip if you're building a van in Australia.
Someone has a new toy. So not only we went to Bunnings, but he got this. Can you turn it down?
I don't think it comes in the turn down.
That is really loud.
I like that. I like it. Shameless plug. Thank you, Eamon and Beck. Especially Eamon.
The ideas you get from other van lifers.
Yeah.
So yesterday we just had cameras down and just got a little bit of work done because I hadn't seen Tim in 10 days. But I'll just show you what he's done so far.
So yesterday we started off just building a bed frame ready, and then we put it up, and then we realised that we really needed to finish the ceiling so we knew where our clearances were, and then we could adjust the bed frame as well. They're a little bit too tall on the side at the moment, so we've got to make that smaller. So we ended up doing all of this.
Yeah, I actually think that looks really nice now. Let me just get around here to get a better angle of it. But yeah, that's certainly made a difference and made it really homely actually.
And we have this option. We have full blackout.
Yeah, they're nice.
We have.
I think we've shown these windows enough, honey.
But, yeah, I know, but there might be people watching that didn't see the window install. So.
Oh, but if you haven't, we'll put a link up here for you.
And you can go half and half.
Yeah.
We've decided to put the blind on the top so that we can use it as a sun visor as well.
Yeah.
Some people fit it the other way around. It's universal. So.
We're also going to put a frame around the windows. A lot of people don't do that, but I think that'll actually give a nice sort of homely feel having an actual window frame. What do you think?
Yeah, one of the flower pots and little birds, little blue birds can come down and land every morning as we open. It's just, van life is real like that.
Don't tempt me. So I know a few episodes ago we were talking to you about toilets, and I think it was the caravan and camping show. We were pretty much set on the Nature's Head composting toilet. But if you do remember, there was $1,700. We thought about it and we decided to get one of these. It is a Thetford Porta Potty 565. E.
For electric flush.
Oh. We decided to go with the electric flush, which is actually quite cool.
Because we're posh like that.
And just he doesn't like it. But yeah, it's a perfectly good size, as you can see, with the 90-degree angles. Oh, sorry. He won't be in the toilet with us. We're just about to show you how it fits in our cubicles, because we've decided to go with a 700 by 700 shower cubicle, which fits the toilet in, and we can shower as well, and gives us more space so we can have a cupboard.
The main reason we picked this was that we could take it out of the shower to use the shower.
Yeah.
Because you don't use the shower 24 hours a day.
No, that's right.
And it's easy just to move that. It's not that, it's compact, it's light, and with the Nature's Head it had to be plumbed in and had its own power supply, and you still had to empty it, so like,
so let's take
it was a mission.
Let's take it in and show you. So I think you're just putting it this way, if you can see. Can you see all right there?
Yeah, just.
And the door will just come across here. There's enough room to pull up my pants.
We're having a retractable door.
Yeah, one of those retractable self-cleaning doors. And if you really want to, and you don't want to pull it out, you just push it aside. And I reckon that's enough room to shower in. Because you don't shower like for 20 minutes like you do at home, or 15 minutes. I think they're no 5 minutes is the rule. I have a longer shower, but you don't do that in a bed. You basically just soap up, wash off, and that's it.
Military shower.
A shake. Forgot to say this toilet was on special. We saved $120. It was down from $4.19 down to
$3.39
something.
like that.
No.
It's 300 something anyway. It was cheaper.
Do the math. It was cheaper.
I think it's probably bigger than some of the cubicles that you sit in.
See,
Anyway.
why are you
I'm a
putting
straddler.
your legs together?
Men straddle when they go to the toilet. We don't go.
Nice visual.
That's it like this. We
Yeah,
straddle.
pretend to wash yourself. Come on.
Oh.
Make sure you got enough room.
Shower. Yeah.
You don't wash yourself like that. Look,
I
your
do.
elbows are out. They're out. You know, can't do that.
I would. The width isn't a problem.
I think we'll
because
be fine.
We had the same width. It's the same width as the original shower. There's not a problem on the width.
I know, but it's when you bring your elbows up to wash yourself. That's the issue. You just bring your elbow right out where the door's going to be.
I was just showing off the I'd shower like this.
Right now, the awning's going back on. Because to be able to do the panelling on the inside, we need to put the awning on the outside. Why is that?
Well, before we used to have the roof rack,
Yeah.
and it was bolted to the roof rack, but now we don't have the roof rack.
Oh, yeah.
It's now going to be bolted through the wall
Right.
of the van.
Okay. You see the gutter there? Last time it was hooked to that gutter and the rain was coming in the door. So this way, the gutter will actually catch the water. Like a gutter's supposed to do. I don't think this lines up. You said not to worry about it. I'm such a perfectionist.
You're on spanner duty.
Spanner duty!
Need two
Hold the
people.
spanner.
Hold the spanner.
It's a two-handed job.
That's why I don't build anything.
Now to get it up. I think it's a two-man job. Not for me. We're going to get somebody else to help. It's actually heavier than I thought it was.
And there we have it.
And there you have it. Now to adjust it. Right, I just think it needs just over a little bit more and we're done. Excellent. Good morning, everyone. So last night, after we chatted to you, we were trying to find a shower tray and that actually fit our specifications. And in the UK, we can get 700 by 700 for the shower base. But here, 580 by 580. Really?
It's not a standard size for Australia because houses are bigger and the bathrooms are massive over here. So why would you have a small, tiny shower?
Even the RV places.
It's not as popular.
Yeah, it's more rectangular, isn't it? So
Yeah.
you can't actually get. Yeah.
It's like the shower we've got at our place that we're rented is huge.
Yeah.
You have a party in there.
Yeah. So we're either going to have to make. So let me just show you. We're going to have to make this area a little
The
bit
nook.
smaller, which is already, you can see, it's already as small as everything. Or we're going to have to lose my cupboard space. No.
No.
No. So.
We're going to go and have a look at a tray that apparently is trimmable. So we're going to see if we can work that out. So we're going to go somewhere that's one of our favourite places to go.
We are going to be heading out to an RV store to try and find exactly what we want. So let's go. Right, this place is smaller than we thought. We're going to give it a go anyway.
Yeah, we want to be able to see the shower tray.
Eh?
We want to be able to see the shower tray.
Yeah, I know. There's no point coming here if you can't see it.
And it's flickering in here as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we were expecting some sort of massive warehouse, but we've got a shower tray. We can trim the edges down here.
Yeah. We can actually take some of the edge off if we need to fit our cubicle. So
Yeah. It'll
it's
work.
pretty lightweight. Only weighs a kilo.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
work.
Next stop. Here you go. See if it fits.
Oh, it'd be too big. I know.
There's gonna be some cutting involved, I think.
I think so. Let's move stuff about, see what we can come up with.
Yeah. I think the first thing he's going to do is see if we can fit this shower tray in the base, the size we want it. I think we may have to move the walls like 5 centimetres. We've just worked out where to put all the plugs, and then, only then, can he try and get back to the bed base, which he's supposed to be doing.
Which was the beginning of the episode.
That was the beginning of the episode. It was only held in by like 3 screws.
Yeah, because it was temporary. It's not fully fixed.
I think he's going to move it only slightly.
Oh, I can't move it because the bracket's stuck. I need to get that other side of the bracket.
Oh.
So that means
Oh yeah, you can get a little one either side.
trim a little off each side.
I think we have a winner. It's not straight. Oh, that.
Love this
Measure 16 times, cut once.
thing. When building van, prepare to do it 3 times over.
Oh yeah. Actually, that looks nice.
I knew you weren't going there, that's why I made the frame.
Oh,
Was that, as soon as I put that in, I was like, I better put a little frame in there because I know she's going to stand straight in there.
no, I like it. It works well.
It fits nicely.
Yeah.
It actually looks quite nice. We're going to have the white walls, but then we'll have something different for the back wall.
I like it. Winning. Okay, so now that that's working, time to build the bed frame.
Everything clears nicely, so when it goes up into the ceiling, it doesn't catch anything. So we're going to get on with building the rest of the bed frame now, which put all the lights in, all the frame and everything.
It looks good. Had a bit of a debacle with this side, but it's fixed now.
Yeah.
See how close? It's really close to the end there, but
Yeah, it's close.
you did a good job there.
Thank you.
So we have. Well, we're going to do the bed, but we just realised the time. We're off to the lovely lady that sold us the lift bed. She's having a party tonight, so we're going over there to celebrate. But we've also got another problem. We can't find the van keys, so we're frantically trying to find the van keys so we can actually get ready and go. And no luck. Still no luck. We'll get back to you. Found them? No.
Success!
Yay!
They were in the IKEA spice rack. Where else would they be?
Right. We will head off this party.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the van build. It's a new morning, it's a new day. As you can see, the van is starting to look like a van. All the walls are in. We finalised the bed frame yesterday, the actual outside of it, the boxing. I'm gonna start attempting to build the rest of the bed.
So I've just come outside and Tim has built our bed frame. It looks so good and it's quite neat actually, and we're going to have 3 down lights in it, so it should actually flow well with the van. Is there any tips or anything you want to say about the bed?
It's fiddly. Make sure you take your time. Make sure you measure everything more than once. Make sure
More than once?
More than once.
17 times?
17 times. Just take your time, be careful, and you'll get a good result.
Yeah, no, it actually looks really good. I can't wait to get it in, but we have to paint it first, but that's not just yet.
No.
Tim is measuring everything 1,000 times to make sure it's all square.
I'm just over it looking horrible.
You're over it looking horrible.
No, like, I'm over things when you do them and they look horrible. It's like, if only I'd measured slightly.
Yeah,
better
if you
anyway.
just spent that extra 5 minutes.
And I cut 3 planks the other day.
Yeah.
They were 156. Cut them, they'd be 154. Measure them, 156. Cut them. It was catching on that little rivet there.
Oh,
Made 2 centimetres difference.
So that was the problem.
Yeah, I thought some weird genie was messing with my head. It was hard. Oh, I thought, 156, check it. 156, check it. 156, cut it, put it up. 154.
So it was all wrong.
Yeah. Two planks to do it. It was like I measured it, and it was just catching on that rivet every single time. So check your tools.
And like pure sandvan style, it is raining once again. Just having to move everything out of the way so nothing gets wet. We're going to have to wedge an umbrella up there because the van's at an angle and the rain's getting inside the van.
Yeah, that'll work.
Hey, you can stop it filling up the back, mate.
Yeah.
Better than now. I'm waiting for my wood filler to harden.
Get everything out of the rain.
Set it in the toilet box. I want it soggy so I can crush it.
That is going to look nice, babe.
I hope it will.
Hey?
It looked nice before it was painted. It's going to look nice now.
Yeah. It's coming together.
If you can see just behind me there, that black wall in the van, I think that's going to get painted today too because it's annoying Tim.
It's annoying me. Going.
I'm excited. The painting of the bed frame is being done as we speak. First coat. It's going to take a lot of coats as just wanted to look smick. The rain's coming in sideways, so we had to quickly. Oh no. Almost had a disaster act.
Anyway, resume.
Rain is sometimes a little unpredictable, but oh well. We'll just push through.
Gonna make a hell of a difference. Actually annoyed me as well, but I thought that was gonna be one of the last things. So.
No, it's going to be one of the first things just to get it done because it's got to be enclosed in as well. So ignore the crack.
That's what she said. I must say that looks absolutely schmick, and it's only had what, 2 coats?
One coat of paint. That's all
One.
it's had.
Oh,
So
right.
we've gone for a semi-gloss finish.
Yeah, semi-gloss. Looks good.
I think it works well.
Well, I think we might wrap it up for this week as it's raining and it's getting quite dark quite quickly.
So we're going to have to tidy up, get everything schmick for next time when you come on. It's going to look a bit nicer. We'll put the bed in later, but you'll get to see that when it's already installed.
Yeah.
Big shout out to our little next door neighbour, Brax, or actually he said, Brax! That's what he asked me to do. So, big shout out to him and to his family for putting up with all the noise.
There's been a lot of noise
all the
around
banging, the crashing, and
Sorry guys, thank you.
and screaming and all sorts madness.
So Tim is also away again for another 10 days, but don't worry guys, I will take you somewhere fun next week. We're going to go out and about, but we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye.